Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's time for the Emacs BHR Pro Giveaway Results. I have the video here on screen. As you can see, we have 2,255 views, 1,100 likes, 5 dislikes. I think that's probably due to shipping, and I think I have a extra special friend out there that likes to come by and click the thumbs down button on just about every video. I could pretty consistently get 2 dislikes on most videos. Anywho, we have 1,244 comments. So let's copy this into the random comment picker and we'll load this up. We're going to pick 2. We have that 40% failure rate, just about. Hopefully you have got your YouTube account tied to an email account that you actually check, because you will be receiving a response from me. You'll need to include some message in your email to me that I've already sent to you. Also, you'll find when the random comment picker selects someone to be the first winner, again we're picking 2, that theirs will likely show 0 likes. Now that doesn't mean they didn't like the video, it means that their comment didn't get a like. So unless you guys are going through clicking your own comments or clicking other comments and hit that like button on it, then it's probably going to show 0. That came up last time. Even though we covered it, I want to make it a stronger point this time. Alright, we're picking 2 again. Here comes the first one. Eric Kamikaze, 1 comment. Your house should be the next feature on Liftoff. I have heard that, Eric. And actually there was a short Facebook chat or thread going on, and the Liftoff people talked about how it would require a reworking of the engine to design and create all the objects that make up a home, and therefore it would be a monumental task for them, and a loss of investment as well too, I suppose, if you're throwing your old engine out for a new. Maybe one day they'll be able to do that. I don't think it's coming in the short run. Let's go ahead and open his up for my reference later. You can see he was on page 5, comment number 438. In case Eric does not get back to me, we're going to pick 1 more. So Eric, you've been selected first. If you get back to me in 5 days, then you are the winner. And if not, the opportunity goes to who we click and pick next. Aereo FPV, am I saying that right? 1 comment. I love that you give away so many stuff. Well, I have a very small space. If you guys haven't noticed, when I whip kind of back down here in the basement, yeah, I'm a guy in his basement making videos, that little corner, that's where all this quad stuff is. I suspect it might be 7 foot by 8 foot, kind of square space. Of course, I bleed out into the other storage area as well, but it's pretty tight in here, and I've got more things to fly than I have time, and I figure that things need to go find a home, and they need to go get in the air with someone else because they're not seeing any airtime here. And that brings me to another point. I'm going to probably have to do more of these giveaways. I don't know if I'm going to do a really big giveaway. I did one where I gave away like 8 quads, and I gave them away, or maybe it was 9. I gave away packages of 3, and maybe I set up some FPV packages. That was a pretty big task, the whole shipping and getting them boxed up and trying to make sure that they would arrive safely. That was a pretty big deal to me. It took quite a bit of time, so I'm not sure I'd do something like that. But I do have a surplus of stuff that I don't fly, just because I don't have the time for it. A lot of times when I fly for fun, I'm actually doing motor testing. So do expect more giveaways in the channel. I'm going to try to do them a little bit more regularly. Hopefully, maybe find a few people that can get their quad needs taken care of before Christmas gets here. So Aereo FPV and Eric Kamikaze, congratulations, you've been selected again. Eric, if Eric gets back to me via email, my email's not hard to find. It's NickburnsRC@gmail.com. I'll put it on the screen for you. You'll have a message from me. All you need to do is read that message, reply appropriately to it, and you will be selected. If Eric doesn't get back to me in 5 days from the published date of this video, then Aereo FPV, you will have the same opportunity. So it's still in the cellophane box. It's sitting over here just looking at me, ready to go to your home. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.